Lectures on mortality are powerful platforms for exploring one of the most profound aspects of the human experience. They offer an opportunity to engage with the concept of death from various perspectives, including philosophical, psychological, and cultural viewpoints. These discussions can illuminate the complexities of our relationship with mortality, prompting introspection and inspiring meaningful dialogue about how we live our lives. One of the central themes in lectures on mortality is the inevitability of death. This understanding can evoke a range of emotions, from fear and anxiety to acceptance and peace. By confronting the reality that all individuals face mortality, we are encouraged to reflect on our own lives and the choices we make. Such reflections often lead to increased mindfulness, an awareness of the present moment and a recognition of the impermanence of life. This mindfulness can inspire individuals to prioritize what truly matters, fostering deeper connections with loved ones and encouraging the pursuit of passions that bring joy and fulfillment. Philosophical discussions surrounding mortality often draw upon historical thinkers who have grappled with the meaning of life and death. For instance, existential philosophers like Martin Heidegger emphasized the concept of being toward death, suggesting that an authentic life is one lived with a conscious awareness of death. This perspective encourages individuals to live authentically, making choices that align with their true selves rather than societal expectations. Lectures that delve into such philosophical frameworks can provoke thought and inspire individuals to evaluate their own beliefs and values regarding life and death. Psychological perspectives on mortality are also prominent in these discussions. Research in thanatology, the study of death and dying, highlights how our attitudes toward death can impact mental health and well-being. Lectures that incorporate psychological insights often explore how fear of death can lead to anxiety, while acceptance of mortality can promote resilience and personal growth. This acceptance can empower individuals to live more fully, as they learn to view their time as a precious resource. By acknowledging their mortality, people may find themselves more willing to take risks, embrace change, and pursue meaningful experiences. Cultural perspectives on death are another vital component of lectures on mortality. Different cultures have unique rituals, beliefs, and traditions surrounding death that reflect their values and worldview. Understanding these cultural contexts can broaden our appreciation for the diverse ways in which humanity grapples with mortality. Lectures that explore these differences can foster empathy and connection, reminding us that while our experiences with death may vary, the fundamental reality of mortality is universal. Additionally, lectures on mortality often provide a space for personal storytelling. Sharing personal experiences of loss, grief, and acceptance can create a sense of community among participants. These narratives can be cathartic, allowing individuals to process their emotions and connect with others who have faced similar challenges. This communal aspect of discussing mortality can serve as a source of comfort and support, reinforcing the idea that we are not alone in our struggles with death and loss. Finally, these lectures can inspire action. By engaging with the topic of mortality, individuals may feel motivated to make changes in their lives. This could involve mending relationships, pursuing long-held dreams, or engaging in acts of kindness. The awareness of mortality can serve as a catalyst for positive change, prompting individuals to live with intention and purpose. Lectures on mortality offer a valuable opportunity to explore the complexities of life and death. By engaging with philosophical, psychological, and cultural perspectives, we can deepen our understanding of our own mortality and its implications for how we live. These discussions encourage mindfulness, foster community, and inspire personal growth. Ultimately, reflecting on mortality can empower us to embrace life more fully, guiding us to prioritize what matters most and to cultivate meaningful connections with ourselves and others.